Hey Padawans, good morning. Hope everybody's doing great. So here we are with part 2 of my watch repair battery replacement. On my other video, my last video that I did, I removed the battery off my Fossil watch. I purchased this watch repair kit on Amazon. I'm just giving you sort of a summary. And I removed the battery, and then I ordered the batteries on eBay. I did get the battery, so it took a while. It took about a week or two, and I just haven't been able to do the video. Install the battery. I thought I got ripped off because I ordered Sony batteries, and this one is called Murata. And I thought I got ripped off, but then I looked it up, and it appears that Sony was replaced by this company. Murata is Japanese battery maker, and so I got the battery. I opened up this battery, so I got it ready to go. I got all my tools, and this is not going to be a very long video because I already removed the battery and I untightened it, and so it shouldn't be that hard now. But I am still learning. All right, I'm still learning. The most important part about the kit is the case opener. This is the case opener, and that's like that's what you really all you need, and some other stuff that comes in the kit. This one is dedicated to Stellar, the watchmaker, and I'll probably do something wrong and he'll call me out. So let's open up the case. It's easy now because it's not that tight. I think that's it. There you go. So that came out pretty quickly. Again, this is one of my favorite watches. This is Fossil, and I do love my watch. I don't want to spend another $100 on another Fossil watch, right? If I can learn something new. Now we're gonna remove the plastic seal. That shouldn't be difficult. There you go. And we are going to put in the battery. Let's. I guess I want. I don't know if we really need to use this, but hey, why not? It's part of the kit, and it's just to hold the watch in place so you don't damage the face. I don't care too much about the look or anything. Like if it's scratched, I don't really care that much, So let's put in the battery here. Now let me rub the battery a little bit. I know they say, oh, it might be something there. Like, so rubbing it like a genie lamp. Let me see. Let's look at the battery. Very hard to see the battery. Anyway, I don't even know if I should have rubbed it, or let me get let me get a cloth. Let me clean the battery, wipe the battery down. Because maybe my fingers were a bit greasy. Okay, so I got this clean, very clean cloth. Let me just wipe down the battery a little bit. Before I put it in. And you know, Stellar the watchmaker, you probably see, hey, you're doing it wrong. But hey, I didn't take classes, you know. I'm just doing this. Hopefully, it starts running again. So we'll put it in here. Oh shit, see, I'm already doing it wrong, bro. I know it shouldn't be that hard. Come on. Let me take a closer look in here with my lens. Okay. It has some sort of spring in there. Am I doing it? I don't think I'm doing it backwards, am I? Come on, man. It keeps jumping off. I'm gonna have to use my... What is this thing? It's not... It can't be this difficult. You know what? Jesus Christ. I need some practice, bro. Need some practice. Unless it's the wrong size, but it can't. It has to be the right size. Now I'm just messing the battery up. There you go. I think that went in there. Let me check. Ah, it's working. Look at that. That was hard, bro. Let me clean it up a little bit here. I don't understand why it was so hard to get the battery in there. But it seems to be working. It's very, very tight. Oh well, you learn sometimes, you know. Now let's get the plastic seal in here. Now this is the one that was sort of tricky to do. Had to start on this side. No, that wasn't hard at all. There's the seal. There's the battery plastic holder right there. That holds the battery in place. It wasn't too bad. I thought it'd be easier, but somehow I had the problem putting the battery in there. Okay, let me just check again. It's running. The dials of time. Now let's get the case back on there. You know, and this comes handy if, like I said, if you don't want to scratch the face of the watch. But this is sort of an older watch, so I really don't care that much. You know, and I know it's hard to see here what I'm doing. You know, it's these grooves here on the side of the face. That's what you're trying to. Let me see here. Let me get this done. Okay. There you go. One. Let's just spin it around. And it feels like it's tightening up. Perfect. You don't want to do it too tight. Let me see. That's perfect. All right, so we got the watch running. As you can see. Now let's get the time. It's 9:35. And what day is it? Shit, I don't know what day it is, man. It's the 20th. It's the 29th. Let me get my other. Yeah, it's the 29th. I just had to make sure. There you go. It's fixed, bro. The 29th, 9:30 or 9:36. And I'll do the I'll put in the spring here off camera. But that's the way it works. And it's ready to go, bro. I hope I did something right. I need yeah, I don't know how long these batteries gonna last. But that's it, guys. Give me your criticism. Take me down. Tell me what I did wrong. I mean, at least it's working. So, hope you guys enjoyed this instructional video. Well, it's more like a learning experience for me. But hey, thanks for watching. May the force be with you. Bye.